Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Ome TV app camera not working on iPhone. To fix the Ome TV problem, first go to the Settings app. Here, find and tap on Screen Time. Then, tap on the Turn on Screen Time option, hit the Continue, and this is my iPhone button. It will show you the screen time and scroll down to Locate the Content and Privacy Restriction option. Tap on it and enable it by tapping on the toggle button. Now, select the Allowed Apps option, and it will show you all the enabled apps here. If you want to disable any of these, you can go ahead and disable them. You can also disable the Content and Privacy Restriction option by tapping on the toggle button. The next step is to go back to the settings. After that, use the search bar to search for privacy. Reach the privacy option and tap on camera. You can enable the apps as shown here. Another way is to go back and locate General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, select Reset and reset your settings. Following that, open the App Store on your iPhone. Use the search bar and search for Ome TV. To download the Ome TV app, tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Make sure to connect your iPhone to the stronger network. To do so, go to the control center of your iPhone. Now, tap on Wi-Fi and connect to the stronger network. After that, wait a few minutes for Ome TV to download. As the Ome TV app gets downloaded, go to the Settings app again. Scroll down and find the Ome TV app. Here, tap on it and enable the background and app refresh option. The next step is to go back to the Settings app. Scroll down to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, locate and tap on the Ome TV app. Here, you can choose to offload the app. This removes the app while keeping your data safe. Lastly, reinstall it to fix the Ome TV app camera not working on iPhone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you got some value. See you in the next one.